Good evening, students. Today we are going to see exercise 1.5 8th question. If a is equal to y such that y is equal to a plus 1 by 2, a belongs to capital W, that is a whole number, and a less than or equal to 5. B is equal to y such that y is equal to 2n minus 1 divided by 2. N belongs to capital W and n less than 5, and C is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 3 by 2 comma 2. Then show that A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. This is what property? De Morgan's laws for set difference. We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. In that question, A is what format it is? A set builder format that should be converted into roster format. So here formula is given, y is equal to a plus 1 divided by 2, that a belongs to capital W, that is a starting number is 0, and n with less than or equal to 5, that means n with 5. Here you should substitute in the a place 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore a is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2, comma, next number is substituting is 1 plus 1 divided by 2, comma, next number is 2 plus 1 divided by 2, comma, 3 plus 1 divided by 2, comma, 4 plus 1 divided by 2, comma, 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Next you should simplify this one. 0 plus 1 is 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2, 4 plus 1 5 by 2, 5 plus 1 6 by 2. Here 1 by 2 we are not able to cancel, so write as it is. Here 2 get cancelled, you will get 1, comma, 3 by 2 not able to cancel, write as it is 3 by 2. Here 4 is 2 times when you cancel, so 2, comma, 5 by 2, comma, here 6 by 2 able to cancel, you cancel it, you will get 3. Therefore A set answer is 1 by 2, comma 1, 3 by 2, comma 2, 5 by 2, comma 3. Next B set also we should convert into roster form. The question is given as set builder format. Formula is y is equal to 2n minus 1 divided by 2. Small ns belongs to capital W, that is starting number is 0. In n place you start with 0, and n with n less than 5 means n with 4. So what are the number you can substitute? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore B is equal to 2 into 0 minus 1 divided by 2, 2 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2, comma, 2 into 2 minus 1 divided by 2, comma, 2 into 3 minus 1 divided by 2, next 2 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2. Simplify this one. 2 into 0 is 0 minus 1 by 2, comma, 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1 divided by 2, comma, 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 divided by 2, comma, 2 3s are 6 minus 1 divided by 2, comma, 2 into 4 is 8 minus 1 divided by 2. Next 0 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, comma, 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2, comma, 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2, comma, 6 minus 1 is 5 by 2, comma, 8 minus 1 is 7 by 2. When you see that B set, elements are not able to cancel, so you write as it is. This is B set. Next C set, in the question directly they given as a roster form, that one I am written here. What we have to verify it is that formula it is A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. First of all you should take LHS side fully. So LHS is equal to A difference B union C. In that inside the bracket what you are having? B union C. First you should simplify this one, B union C. So B set I am written, union C set this one. Union means join together, write it as one time element. So what you will get it is minus 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2, comma 3 by 2, comma 2, 5 by 2, comma 7 by 2. Next I am going to find the full part of LHS. A difference B union C. So A set difference B union C, we find that answer, no? That answer you should substitute it. Cancel the common element. So common element I cancel. 1 by 2 is cancelled. 1 is common, cancelled. 3 by 2 cancel, 2 is cancelled, next 5 by 2 is cancelled. So remaining element present in that first set is 3. Therefore, 3 is the LHS side answer. That one you should mark it as 1. Next, we should go that RHS side. RHS is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Here inside the bracket first we should find. So inside the bracket what you are having A difference B and A difference C. First you should find A difference B. Therefore, A difference B is equal to A set difference B set. Difference means cancel the common element. What is the common element cancel? It is 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. So, remaining element present in that first set. So, remaining element is 1, 2, 3. Next, I am going to find A difference C. A set difference C set I am written. Cancel the common element. Common element cancelled is 1, 3 by 2, 2. So remaining element present in that first set is 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 3. Next I am going to find that full part of RHS side. A difference B intersection A difference C is equal to, this is A difference B answer. Intersection, this one is A difference C. Intersection means common element. What is the common element here present? Only 3. So that is the answer here 3. This is RHS side answer. So this one mark it as 2. From 1 and 2 when you see that both answers are equal. Therefore you should write from 1 and 2 implies A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. 10th sum, if U is equal to 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16 and A is equal to 7, 8, 11, 12, B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 15. Then verify De Morgan's laws for complementation. Here they are asking verify De Morgan's laws for complementation. What is that complementation formula is? Here see that one, A union B. The whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Next one is A intersection B, the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. We have to verify both the formulas. So first I am taking that this one. A union B, the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. The LHS side, this side is LHS, no, that part I am taken. The whole complement given means always you should subtract with universal set. Already I told. That one I am using. U difference A union B, that question. First of all, we should not know that A union B. First we should find A union B. So A set union B set. For both you should take union. So join together and write it. That one is 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15. Next I am going to find that LHS side full part A union B, the whole complement. What I told, that is U difference A union B. So U set I have written difference A union B. Now only we found no, that one I am written here. You cancel the common element because it is a difference. So common element is 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15. So remaining element present in that set is 10, 16. So this one is, you should mark it as 1 because this is LHS side answer. So you mark it as 1. Next I am going to find that RHS side. RHS side is A complement intersection B complement. First we should find that A complement. A complement means U difference A. That means you should subtract with universal set. So U difference A. U set difference A set. Cancel the common element. So remaining element present in that first set is 4, 10, 15, 16. Next I am going to find that B complement. U difference B. Likewise U set difference B set. Here also you should cancel the common element. So remaining element present in that set is 7, 10, 11, 16. Now I am going to find that A complement intersection B complement is equal to A complement answer intersection B complement answer. For both you should take intersection. Intersection means common element. What is that common element? 10, 16. Two element is common. That one I am written here. This is final answer for RHS side. So you should mark it as 2. Now see that one answer is you are getting is 10, 16. Next, second answer also you are getting is 10, 16. So from 1 and 2 implies that A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Next I am going to find that a second formula, that is A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Here LHS side I am taken. Whole complement means you should subtract with universal set U difference A intersection B. First we should find A intersection B is equal to A set intersection B set I am written is equal to, intersection means common element. What is the common element? 8, 12. Next I am going to find that A intersection B the whole complement is equal to, that is this one. You said difference A intersection B, this answer I am written here. Here difference means cancel the common element. I cancel this one 8, 12. So remaining element present in that first set. What is that? 4, 7, 10, 11, 15, 16. This is the final answer for LHS side. So you should mark it as 3. Next I am going to find that RHS, that is A complement union B complement. First you should find A complement. A complement means U difference A. So U set difference A. Already we find that on the first formula itself. We can write that answer also. So answer is 4, 10, 15, 16. Next we should find that B complement, that is U difference B. U set difference B set. Here what is that answer is 7, 10, 11, 16. Finally we should find that A complement union B complement is equal to, so A complement answer, union B complement answer. For both we should take union. Therefore answer you will get 4, 7, 10, 11, 15, 16. This one is you mark it as 10. When you compare 3 and 4th equation, both are equal. The answer is equal. Therefore, from 3 and 4 implies that A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Thanks for watching.